Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DUST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis yesterday and talked about how this sideways channel had formed, but today the price broke down through the downside, and then as would be expected, because in technical jargon that would be a pattern breakdown. But yeah, there was a lot of additional downside pressure that formed, and the price essentially closed at the lows. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line there. It served its purpose for now. And the first update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going forward right here at $1.52 is going to be that initial area of resistance to watch very closely. So if there is any sort of bounce, that'll be the overarching level. But even more so in a nearer term, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, keep a close eye on $1.43. So $1.43 initial level of resistance, and then after that, the next key overarching level would be right up there at the $1.52 mark. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy here at all. The bleeding finally stopped today right at the $1.38 mark. So for that reason alone is going to be where the key level to watch from the support side of things is at. But yeah, a lot of downwards momentum with the pattern breakdown, and it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price fell down below the $1.38 mark. So keep a close eye on those levels, but one of those situations where this can bounce and bounce very nicely, but you also have to admit and kind of acknowledge the fact that it's essentially kind of entered into falling knife territory right now. So you better be good at honoring stop losses and setting up risk-centered, risk-focused trade plans, because if you're not careful, these things can turn into a big hurt, but we'll see what happens with it moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.